Hello everyone, myself Surendra Magar. In today's video, we are going to learn a vector integration. So in that first point is a line integral. A line integral is equal to the integration over C f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. Dr bar is I bar dx plus j bar dy plus k bar dz. So therefore, the integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to the integration over C f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar dot product with I bar dx plus j bar dy plus k bar dz. So take the dot product between f bar dot dr bar. So therefore, the integration over C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. So this is the line integration. Integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to this. For example, we have to calculate this integral over C f bar dot dr bar. Consider a function f bar is equal to x square I bar plus xyj bar, where C is the curve y square is equal to x, joining the point 0 0 and 1 1. So in this example, we are given a vector function f bar is equal to x square I bar plus xyj bar, and curve C is the curve y square is equal to x, means parabolic path, joining the point 0 0 and 1 1. So the curve C is y square is equal to x. This is the horizontal parabola, y square is equal to x, joining the point 0 0 and someone here 1 1. So joining these 2 points 0 0 and this point is 1 1, perpendicular 1 comma 0. So joining these 2 points, parabola is y square is equal to x. So solution, consider f bar is equal to x square I bar plus xyj bar. We have to find out the integral I is equal to integration over C f bar dot dr bar. So that is the integration over C x square I bar plus xyj bar dot product with dr bar, that is the I bar dx plus j bar dy. So take the dot product. So integration over C x square dx plus xy dy, x square dx plus xy dy. Now call this equation number 1. Call this equation number 1. So the C is the curve y square is equal to x, joining the point 0 0 and 1 1, joining the point 0 0 and 1 1. So y square is equal to x, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, we get derivatives of y square with respect to x. So derivative of y square is 2y into derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivatives of x is 1. Derivatives of x is 1. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to 1, means 2y dy is equal to the dx. 2y dy is equal to dx. So we substitute x is equal to y square and dx is equal to 2y dy in equation number 1 in equation number 1. And so all these variable convert into the y. So therefore the limits of y, the limit of y is varies from 0 to 1. So the limit of y is 0 to 1. So therefore the equation 1 become I is equal to integration from 0 to 1, put x is equal to y square. So here is x square means y square, there is square. Substitute the value of dx is 2y dy plus x, value of x is y square into y dy as it is. So simplify, integration 0 to 1, y raised to 4 into y means y raised to 5. So 2 times y raised to 5 dy plus y cube dy. So 2 as it is, integration of y raised to 5 is y raised to 6 upon 6 plus integration of y cube is y raised to 4 upon 4. The limits of integrations are 0 to 1. Limit of integration is 0 to 1. Now substitute first upper limit, that is y is equal to 1, and the lower limit y is equal to 0. So substitute upper limit 2 by 6 plus 1 by 4 minus y is equal to 0 substitution kara. So y is equal to 0 here. So 0 minus 0. So this is equal to, simplify this. So 2 4s are 8 plus 6 upon 24. So that is equal to 14 upon 24. So simplest form is 7 upon 12. So value of this integration over a c f bar dot dr bar is equal to the 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12. Second example. Evaluate integration over a c f bar dot dr bar. Consider f bar is equal to x square I bar plus xyz bar, where c is the curve, y is equal to x joining 0 0 and 1 1, joining 0 0 and 1 1. Now in this example the curve is different, that is the curve is y is equal to x joining the point 0 0 and 1 1. So solution, so let f bar is equal to x square I bar plus xyz bar, I is equal to the integration over a c Therefore, the integration over a c f bar dot dr bar. So therefore, the integration I is equal to integral over a c f bar is x square I bar plus xy j bar dot product with I bar dx plus j bar dy. So therefore the integration over a c, take the dot product of f bar dot dr bar, so which is x square dx plus xy dy. Call this equation number 1. We have to evaluate this integral over a curve C. So let C be the curve. Let C be the curve. Y is equal to x, joining the points 0, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0 and 1, 1. So therefore y is equal to x. So to differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to 1. dy by dx is equal to 1. So therefore dy is equal to dx. So we put y is equal to x and dy is equal to dx, and the limits of x, because we have to convert all the variable in the x quantity. So the limit of x 0 to 1. So equation 1 become I is equal to integration over a c x square. So keep x as it is, x square dx, plus x as it is, put y is equal to x, dy is equal to dx, and the limits of integration 0 to 1. So integration 0 to 1, x square dx, x into x means x square dx. So x square dx plus x square dx is 2 times x square dx. So 2 as it is. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Limits of integrations are 0 to 1. Limit of integration is 0 to 1. So first put the upper limit x is equal to 1, and then a lower limit x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 1 here, so we get 2 by 3 minus lower limit is 0, so 0. So 2 by 3 minus 0 is equal to 2 by 3. So this is your answer. So in this example, the curve is y is equal to x, so we put dy by dx is equal to 1, that is dy is equal to dx, and the limits of x is 0 to 1. So convert all the variable in terms of x. So integral 0 to 1 x square dx plus x into x dx. So in this integral all the variable in terms of x, then we have to integrate with respect to x and then substitute with the limit. So answer is 2 by 3. Next example, example 3rd, evaluate the integral over a c f bar dot dr bar for f bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus yj bar plus zk bar along the path straight line joining 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3. So we have to evaluate this integral over a c f bar dot dr bar. The function vector function f bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus yj bar plus zk bar along the straight line joining the point 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3. So let solution, let f bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y j bar plus zk bar. So integral I is equal to integration over a c f bar dot dr bar. This is equal to the integration over a c. F bar is 3x square plus 3x square I bar plus 2xz minus y j bar plus zk bar dot product with dr bar means I bar dx plus j bar dy plus k bar dz. So this is equal to the integration over a c 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y dy plus z dz. Call this as equation number 1. Now we have to evaluate this integral over a curve C is a straight line. Curve C is a straight line joining the point 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3. So the path is straight line joining the point 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3. Recall equation of line passing through a point x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. So recall this concept. We have to use this concept here. So the equation of straight line joining the points 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3 is means x1 y1 z1 is 0, 0, 0, x2 y2 z2 is 2, 1, 3. So it is x minus x1 that is 0 upon 2 minus 0 is equal to the y minus 0 upon 1 minus 0 is equal to z minus 0 upon 3 minus 0. So that is x upon 2 is equal to y upon 1 is equal to z upon 3 is equal to some proportionality constant t. Some proportionality constant is t same. So we get x upon 2 is equal to t, y upon 1 is equal to t and z upon 3 is equal to t. So that is x is equal to 2t, y is equal to t, z is equal to 3t. Okay, x is equal to 2t, y is equal to t and z is equal to 3t. So derivative of x with respect to t. So we have to replace x is equal to 2t, y is equal to t and z is equal to 3t. So derivative of x with respect to t is equal to derivative of 2t is 2. Derivatives of y with respect to t is equal to 1. Derivative of z with respect to t is equal to 3. So therefore dx become 2 times dt, dy is equal to dt and dz is equal to 3 dt. So we replace x is equal to 2t, y is equal to t, z is equal to 3t, dx is equal to 2 dt, dy is equal to dt and dz is equal to 3 dt. Now we want the original point 0, 0, 0 and 2, 1, 3. So what is the value of t? So take the value of t as a 0 and value of t is 1. So first put t is equal to 0. So we get x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. And the second point 2, 1, 3. So take the value of t is equal to 1. So we get x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. So we get the original point. So what is the value of t? T is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1. So take limit of t 0 to 1. Take the limits of t is 0 to 1. So therefore I is equal to integration 0 to 1 3. Put the value of x as a x is equal to 2t, x is equal to 2t, so 2t bracket square dx is equal to 2 dt plus 2xz, that is 2 time value of x is 2t, value of z is 3t, minus value of y is t, dy is dt, plus z is 3t, dz is 3 dt, value of dz is 3 dt. Now simplify, integration 0 to 1, 3 times 2 square is 4, 4t square into 2 dt plus 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 6, 6t square minus t, 6t square, 3 2's are 6, 6 2's are 12, so sorry 12 t square minus t with respect to dt plus 9t dt. Simplify, integration 0 to 1, 4 3's are 12, 12 2's are 24, so 24 t square dt plus 12 t square minus t dt plus 9t dt. So 24 t square plus 12 t square means 36 t square plus minus t plus 9t, so we get plus 8t with respect to dt, and the limits of integration is 0 to 1. So this is equal to 36, keep as it is. Integration of t square is t cube by 3 plus 8 as it is. Integration of t is t square upon 2. The limits of integrations are 0 to 1. So this is equal to, substitute upper limit t is equal to 1 and the lower limit t is equal to 0. So we get 36 upon 3 plus 8 by 2 minus t equal to 0 minus t is equal to 0. So 36 upon 3 means 12 plus 2, 8 upon 2 means 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So value of this integral is 16.